If you're hungry again by 10 a.m., your breakfast is broken, and these 3 high-protein meals will fix it. Hey, this is Flip Fit Yourself, and today I'm giving you the easiest high-protein breakfast recipes that keep you full, boost fat loss, and actually taste good. Eggs plus egg whites plus spinach plus feta in a whole grain wrap. Takes 5 minutes. 30 plus grams of protein. This keeps hunger quiet for hours. Oats plus protein powder plus peanut butter plus berries. Hot, filling, and dessert-level delicious. 35 grams of protein. Greek yogurt plus honey plus granola plus chia seeds. Cold, creamy, zero cooking. 25 to 30 grams of protein. Protein controls hunger hormones, protects muscle, and boosts metabolism, so your body burns more fat all day. Fix your breakfast, and your entire day gets easier. Like and subscribe to Flip Fit Yourself for simple fat loss recipes that work. See you in the next one.